she is stock 1.8. This is her, by the way. She does leak, so we're gonna run a little test today by putting cooking oil, right? Cooking oil, taking out the engine oil that we do have in right now, and running her with cooking oil today. Cause regardless, I'm gonna pull the engine, either rebuild this one or find another 1.8 liter. So we're kind of gonna do a little test to see how the engine holds up with cooking oil. A little bit of cooking oil never hurt anybody, right? So a little test. To see how the Miata holds up. Dual overhead cam, stock 1.8. So we're probably gonna end up running to McDonald's to see if they sell me any, or just give me any by any chance. I only need 4 cords, so we're gonna run to McDonald's and see what they can provide for the little test.
Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want to.
So I'm gonna say I'm using the oil for a project. If we pay. Hello. Yeah, cone is fine. You guys take Apple Pay? Yeah.
Yes, we do. I like your car.
Thank you. It's an oldie. And I did have like one question. So I needed like used oil for like a project, and I was just wondering, would you guys like sell used oil, or how can I get?
I actually don't know about that.
You think?
I can get a manager for you, because I have to get all you guys through here.
Okay. Alrighty. Thank you. You too. Maybe I asked that wrong. Oh, snap. Yeah, and I did have. Oh, actually, did I get a cup for it just so it doesn't fall? And I had a quick question.
Yeah.
So I actually needed like used oil for this like project that I was doing, recycling project. And I don't know if like you guys get rid of your oil that you guys don't use, or
I can ask, but I think it just, I've never seen it fill it up or get rid of it. I think it just goes in the thing and then it just filters out.
yeah, I don't know if like if somehow I could purchase like a gallon of it. I just need like 4 quarts. If not, we're going with Walmart Gate value. That's probably less than $5 for it.
They said that we don't sell it.
You guys wouldn't be able to give it?
No, we don't.
No?
No. I'm sorry.
No, it's cool. Alrighty. Thank you. Break. Man, at this point of the video, I had my doubts. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get that used oil. But we weren't going to give up. We're going to hit Burger King and Taco Bell, and let's just see what they got to say. Alright, Taco Bell. Like recycling for like used oil, and I was just wondering like if you guys have like used oil, the cooking oil you guys use.
Yeah.
If there's a way for me to like either, I mean, if you guys just recycle it either way, I could take like, I probably need like a quart, like, or no, 4 quarts, so like a gallon of it.
Okay, let me go ask you.
Okay, no, you know anyone?
It's like in a big in a dumpster, but like
If
there's like a machine that pumps it out. Like we can't get into the bin.
Oh,
Like
okay. experiment, just trying to like reuse use cooking oil. So I don't know if you guys like could provide the used cooking oil, or like if I could buy it from you guys. I'd probably need like a gallon.
You would have to call. Like,
Do you have no managers that you could ask?
tomorrow because she answered tomorrow. Our manager wouldn't know for sure.
Yeah. So you don't have like any extra bottles just of
like,
used just laying around now? Alrighty, no, because I've been to a couple other. It's because I need specifically used for the project. You get me?
Okay.
That was cool.
But if you call them out and ask her, like she'll say yes or no for sure.
Okay. All right. I'll call. I'll hit them up tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, boys. Alrighty. Cheapest oil change, $8. Yo, how you guys like the interior lights? They're pretty sick. Retro style. That 1970s look. I like it. Okay. Let's hope it starts. I was having issues. Oh wait, I don't even have it plugged in. Okay. Alright. If not, we just rolling it out and having to push it out the way. Oh, it started. No way. Let's move her in, boys. Alright, we got her up on jacks. We're gonna drain the old oil and swap her over with the cooking oil. Ahí va.
All the right boxes to get you there.
Damn it, she's still hot. Alright, we're just gonna let it fall in there, cause it's hot. Sure guys, it was hot. Alrighty, let's throw her in. So Miata takes 4 quarts, so the whole thing. Don't trip, I'm always ready. Oh, here it is. Clip out and everything. Maybe pull out of the garage and start it, yeah? You think so? Thank you, man. Alrighty. Veggie oil's all in. We're gonna start her up, see how she runs. Why is it gonna blow up? Oh, ahí está. Yo! Yo! It's running good. Hold on, I'm trying to fix this. Ah, lo llené. Yeah, I got it. ¿Qué hice con la botella? Lo puse en el motor, Uncle Jay. Quería hacer papitas. No, Uncle Jay, I'm lying. I'm lying. So currently we're running straight, literally just straight vegetable oil. Straight veggie oil, man. Yeah, watch out. That probably did it. Woo.
Here's the conclusion.
Yeah,
You can use vegetable oil at your own risk. Please be aware it's at your own risk. But
the whole block.
it works. It lubes. And I'll catch you the next video. Have a blessed day. Man, don't listen to that guy. Just don't do it. Look how my bearings looked. Look how they came out. Man, I done destroyed the whole engine. But we're gonna rebuild her and we'll come back better. I'll see y'all.